How are you doing, guys? This is part 2 of the video. This is the reassembly of the Robinson Arms M96 or Stoner 63 clone. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put back in the op rod and op rod and gas piston. So you're going to put it up. So these two keys here are also different on the newer version. There's just one key. Where a lot of people will be confused. If you can see in here, there's actually on the handle here, there's a little catch. Now you would think that logically the catch would go in between and one pin would be on one side and one pin would be on the other side. Although it will fire in that configuration, that's not correct. You're going to want to make sure that you push it all the way down so this pin is in front. So first thing we're going to do again is we're going to put the key straight up. Right, so it goes through the keyhole here. You're going to hit resistance there. You're going to push down a couple inches. You're going to move the slide back as well so you can see it. You're going to go back. Sorry, I'm going to get on the camera here. Move it so that's clear. You're going to go back and you're going to push it all the way to the second key is in front of it, and then you're locked all the way forward. If you were to do it differently, it would be locked to about this position. It will still fire, but then your piston's not in the correct area. So you're going to get better performance, obviously, and it's you don't want to cause damage to the parts. Like I said, they do not make this gun anymore. So Robinson Arms does not support it, so if you break a part, you're either going to be paying a premium on eBay or you're going to be trying to fabricate it yourself. So let's go forward for this. We're going to grab the gas tube here, slide that right on. Like I said, there's a key right here. So you're going to slide that forward, you're going to put it through the key, and you're going to lock it. You can lock it right or left. I like to lock it left. I just get a more positive reinforced click on the left, so that's the way I like to go. All right, next we're going to grab your bolt. Bolt just slides right in. Make sure you put the bolt in the correct way. Bolt slides right in. Put that right through. Watch your fingers like that. You're going to take your round again. You're going to put in this recess all the way forward as far as it can go. Then you're going to put positive reinforcement with your thumb on the back of the bolt here. You're going to grab the charger and until you see that recess click in. It is now clicked in. Your bolt is good to go. Next, you're going to put the barrel. I guess now, you could put the barrel in first, but now I did this to demonstrate how you would have to do it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our barrel, because you're going to have to put the bolt back to do this. So we're going to put our barrel in. Alright, so you have it in, so it's pretty much lined up. Now you're going to, I know the top's going to be off camera, but you're going to see right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to put down with your hand like you're loading an M1 Garand. You're going to push it as hard as you can when it's down to about that level while putting pressure on the bolt so the bolt is back. And you're going to push down on the barrel, make sure that's all the way in. Alright, alright. See, it's easier if you were to do it the other way, and then you can use both hands. So that is in there. Let's see here. Alright. There we go. Barrel seated. Now click until that is out. That's fully out. That's fully seated there. Alright. And then now, last step. Gonna grab your lower receiver. Make sure the hammer's back. There's a recess here. Stick it in. Like so. You're going to want to put the bagwell pin in first, which is this one. Make sure that bagwell is pushed up as well and in. And then you're going to go with your main receiver pin, and there we are. That's all there is to it. The rifle is now ready to fire, and you are good to go. Alright, and that is reassembly. Thanks for watching, guys, and that is the disassembly and reassembly of the M96. I hope that helps you out, guys, for somebody, because I know YouTube tutorials are always better, and you guys then know what you're doing. Alright, guys, thanks for watching.